Okay, this is page 35. Page 35. And we are talking about square root functions, parent functions. So the first thing we did was write the parent functions here and here. See if you can see that. And then we wrote the first few perfect squares. So 0, perfect square, 1, 4, 9. And that's how I got my coordinates to plot this, okay? The endpoint is 0, 0. The domain is everything above 0. The range is everything above 0. Let's do the cube root one. Okay? So we have 0, 0 is also the turning point. But the domain for both of these is always going to be all real numbers. So, we're going to do 0, 1, 8, then negative 1, and negative 8. So 0, 0, we have 1, 1, negative 1, 1. Let's go to 8, and the 8's an 8. So the 8, sorry, it's going to be 0, 0, 1, 2, and then negative 1, negative 2. Let's see. 8, 2, and then negative 8, negative 2. Alright, so you should have a little symbol right here. It looks kind of like half of a hourglass. I don't know. What you call it? Alright, so cube roots is 2 times 2 times 2. 1 times 1 times 1. Okay? And let's talk about how we're going to transform these. So H is the horizontal shift. Positive is left. Negative is right. Just like how we used to do, well, if it's inside the house, inside the parentheses, it's opposite of what you think. So same thing. So inside here, opposite. So if I had square root of x minus 4, that would be right 4. Okay. All right. K is the vertical shift. Up is down. Up is positive. Negative is down. So that's kind of right. HK is a turning point. Remember, I'm going to flip that number in front. K stays the same. I flip H, keep K. K for keep. I keep K. Alright, if A is negative, it reflects across the x-axis. If it's more than 1, it's going to stretch. And if it's between 0 and 1, it's a compression. Alright, so for this one, if it's inside, left or right, but opposite of what you think. So you see how this is a negative right here? So you would say, oh, that's right, that's left 7. No, it's actually right 7. Because when you square 7, it becomes positive anyway. And this guy, he's outside. He's going to go up 2. Okay? Right here, he's outside, so that's up or down. It's negative 1 up or down 1. Okay, and now let's look at this number right here. Remember vertical stretch? Remember we did that? I think it's going to be A stretch or a shrink? You think it's getting bigger or getting smaller?
Stretch.
A stretch. Oh my gosh. I didn't spell it right. Oh. That says vertical. Okay. This one, what does the negative in the front mean? It reflects over the x-axis. And then this one, the 3 inside. Is that left 3 or right 3? Opposite of what you think. So left 3 or right 3? Guess?
We might go up for like 1 second.
It is left.
Oh, yeah, you go.
Okay. And when we write this, we want to say vertical stretch by a factor of. So if you want to, by a factor of 4, but as long as you really recognize that vertical part, vertical stretch or compression, that's really important. This last one. So immediately, what do you know this one has? Just shout it out. Which one do you know that someone has? Right 2. What else does it have? It has what? Thank you. And one more thing. Yeah, so it's going to be vertical compression. Let's practice more of that. Flip it over. Almost done, almost done. Look here. The square root parent function is reflected across the x-axis. So, square root is a square root. We have to change it. So it changes to, all right, reflected across the x. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna write a negative out in the front, no matter what's negative in the front. It says 7 units left. 7 units left. Left and right is inside. Inside. Okay, so let me go ahead and write the house. And inside, so 7 left plus left. Yep. Good job. And then 1 unit down, he's going to be out plus, minus, I'm sorry, minus 1. I'm about to say plus 1. Minus 1. That's it. And then the cube root looks like this. We're going to change this guy. Alright, so, it just says turning point located. Remember, I flip X, keep K, sorry. I flip X, keep Y. Or I flip H, keep K. So all this is going to be kind of the same, X. So I flip this number, I keep this number.
Do we have to put negative?
On the table, yeah. All right, so let's do these last couple ones, and then we go to the homework. All right, so we're gonna write what this thing is doing, okay? Remember? So put your pencil on 0, 0, and we're gonna go up 5. This means up 5. So let's go up 5. Put a dot. And from there we're gonna go up 1 over 1. It was over 4 up 2 and over 9 up 3. Alright, the domain is everything above 0, so I like that. And everything above this line for the range, that's more than 5. The turning point is going to be 0, like the y-intercept, 0, K. What? Alright, this one. This is going to be definitely down 4, but what else? We're going to do right 1. Put a pencil. Put a pencil. Stop it. On here in 0, 0. We're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right 1. Put a dot right there. Go up 1 over 1. Then go over 4 up 2. And over 9 up 3. Alright, so now you see how the line is everything over here is the domain, so everything more than 1. And then my range is everything above this line going this way more than -4. Alright, let's do number. I want to do one of the cube root functions, so let's do 11. And then we're done with this one. Let's do 11. Alright, so the cube root function is going to go left 3, up 2. How did I do that? Oh, I didn't do the turning point. Sorry. The turning point is 1, -4. I'm so sorry. My bad. Okay, so go back. How you do the rewind sound? Okay, now we're back. Woo! Put your pencil in the middle. Go left 3 up 2. 1, 2, 3 up 2. Put a dot. From there, kind of make like a little. You see a little symbol? That's kind of. Yeah. It does not stretch or shrink, so that can stay solid, just like that. Okay. Now, from this middle dot again, your dot that you made, your center, you can go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up 2. 1, 2. And do the opposite the other way. Over 8. Down 2. So it should make this little shape. Perfect. Yay. Domain range for cube root is simple. All our numbers, and my turning point is -3 because I flip this number, I keep this number. So what was that? I crossed it out. So -3, 2. Okay. So that completes this part of your notes, page 37. Your next part you're going to do is page 51. Okay, and you're only on this page you're going to do, this page 51, and right on the page 51, you're going to do 1 through 6 and then just 8. Okay? So try that now. Remember, you have to do this part, okay? I'll cover that later. Alright, thank you.
God bless.